Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a expansive Clarendon property for sale. It includes a ground floor, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, a double car garage, living room, dining room, kitchen and washroom. The first floor features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, front and back balconies, a living room and a kitchen. Set on 7.74 acres of land with fruit trees and ample space for further development. It is conveniently located along the main road heading to Chapelton with 500 feet of frontage. This versatile property can be used for Airbnb or family vacation home, which is close to major amenities. Why wait when this property could be yours? Schedule a viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 89 million or US $565.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.